Have you ever gone to an occasion, majorly an Igbo occasion, and you saw them serving ukwa, and you requested for it, and you were told it has finished? Then 2 hours later, someone walked in, sat down, and you saw them moved to the person's table and served him this ukwa. It's commonly called ukwa in Igbo land. It's called breadfruit in English. However, when you were told that it has finished, you managed to eat rice or eat whatever you could find. Then after 2 hours, someone walked in and you saw them carry the same food they told you that it has finished and served the person. At that moment, your mind will start talking to you in the language of Ola of Lagos that I will never be poor. You will be speaking it in your mind while your mouth will be moving with that same word. Actually, it is not your fault because ukwa is served in the VIP table of VVIP as the case may be. However, from that moment, your brain will begin to articulate. Your inner mind will be gingered, your strength will be moved, and then you will begin to know that sleeping more than 4 hours in a day becomes a crime and it becomes a sin to you. Because the Bible says that many are called but few are chosen. So if few be chosen, please be part of those that were chosen. From that day, you will realize that making money is an intentional act, not a game of luck. Not carry Arsenal 2, carry Bayern Munich 1, play Manchester to win Everton, or play Chelsea to win Liverpool. From that day, that small thing you are doing, you will take it serious. You will begin to see that there are other avenues where you can step off that game. That thing you are doing, you will take it very, very serious, committed to it, and there is always a payday on hustler. Keep pushing.